Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Blobo right about now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. Now, we have just arrived in Derby. We're here for the next couple of days for the wedding. So the wedding will be tomorrow, so we're all excited for that. But in the meantime, we're going to prepare, we're going to get ourselves sorted, and we're going to head down to the beer garden as the long weekend will commence. However, in the crypto world, crypto is pumping across the board at the moment. So Gala, my number one pick at the moment, is up almost 10% in the past 24 hours. Now, Gala is almost going to breach that sort of 2 cent mark. So I do expect Gala to start challenging that interim high. I think it was around that sort of 8-9 cents. I'm not in front of the charts right now, so I can't remember off the top of my head. But they're the sort of interim targets we're looking at. So that's approximately 4 to 5x your capital. XDC not doing too bad. XRP I believe is up about 5%. Are we on about 59 cent, guys? But yeah, anyway guys, I just want to say a quick thank you as well for everybody who's ordered the XRP plan as well. I was only expecting to sell a handful because I'm still a fairly new channel, so I do appreciate the early support from you guys, and I will continue bringing you guys value as well. So you guys that have already ordered the XRP plan, next week you'll probably get an update to that plan as well. So we will be looking at extending and showing you guys exactly where to take profit. I've got another take profit sort of analysis where we can actually take profits efficiently to maximize your gains and avoid any corrections along the way. So there's that to come. If you want to get your hands on the copy, the link will be down below in the description. But hey guys, look, listen, we've had the interest rate cuts now, so it's all positive news. The next sort of major milestone, especially with XRP, is whether or not SEC will appeal come the 6th of October. So that's the sort of next catalyst for XRP. And then we'll be moving on to the US elections, where I have shown you guys from the US elections there will be some massive price action. So I do expect a sort of explosion in price after the US elections in the first week of November. So there's that to look out for as well. So I just feel lost without the charts, I really do. I should have brought my laptop with me, and then I could have sat down with my microphone and, you know, sat down. But sometimes it's good to get away from the charts, you know. It's healthy as well, because if you're always on the charts each and every day, you know, you can become a little bit fatigued with the price action, especially when it's consolidating, moving sideways, and, you know, sometimes you get those sort of minor corrections as well, anywhere from like 5-10%. But on the day, the watch list is doing really well. Most cryptos are up around 5 to 10%. So we're still holding strong. The plan has not altered in any shape or form. So we are pretty much there now, guys. It's literally a waiting game now for the next Q4. With the charts that I cover, it's all macro. So it's not as if I'm going into that sort of daily time frame, hourly time frame, and taking a look at the noise, because that's ultimately what it is from day to day. It's all noise. Now, we're macro swing traders, we're investors, so we're holding for months. And you do know these guys, well, the guys especially that have bought the XRP plan, we know exactly when we expect the market to actually peak and top out before we actually exit on the market, and use the market to our advantage, and use the rest of the retail traders to dump our bags on in order to seek liquidity. So that's kind of the plan. The plan hasn't changed so far. But anyway, guys, I thought I'd touch base with you guys. I shall be back on Saturday. I shall be doing a live video on Sunday. Well, when I say live, I'll do it pre-recorded. But when I'm drawing the raffle for the competition's pinned over on X as well. Link in description over to the Twitter page as well. If you've not got the capital to afford one of the XRP plans, just to purchase it up front rather than waiting for the competition to be drawn. So this is where we are now, guys. We're just going to enjoy ourselves tonight. Like I said, we're going to go to the beer garden shortly, get ourselves changed, maybe have a shower, etc. But ultimately, we'll be there at the wedding tomorrow, wishing the newlyweds all the best for the future. So take it easy, guys. I've been a Block Bull. Take it easy. Boom.